It might be winter, but windows are open at this primary school in Hobart's northern suburbs.
They're reasonably easy changes to make. Circulating it through the room and going out through your doors.
In line with Education Department guidelines, staff at Windermere Primary are keeping doors and windows open as much as conditions allow. There are air purifiers and fans throughout the school.
Every school's been given a CO2 monitor, and we use that to check the air quality.
So we're low, so we're okay in the office?
And that allows us then to determine how many windows or doors we can or can't open if the weather's particularly cool.
The World Health Organisation recommends opening windows or doors whenever possible. In cold conditions, it suggests windows be opened for a few minutes every hour.
Ventilation should be a part of that risk assessment, but also the things you can change that can actually make a social gathering or your workplace or your home just that little bit safer.
Indoor air quality expert Professor Lydia Morovska always carries a carbon dioxide monitor. A low CO2 reading is an indicator of good ventilation.
The short answer is that we are paying very little attention to this.
She says there should be mandated standards for indoor air quality.
In some countries, this issue is already taken very seriously.
Ventilation is important when it comes to reducing the risk of all airborne diseases, but in recent decades it hasn't been as much of a priority. The current pandemic could lead to changes in building design.
I think this is going to be something that's a shift now that we will never go back. I think aged care will build new facilities in a very different way, being mindful of this. And I think business is the same.
A breath of fresh air with many benefits. Loretta Lohberger, ABC News.